In the unforgiving heart of the Sahara, where scorching winds sweep across endless sand, an empire rose, not by chance, but by grit, faith, and fire. This is the story of Kanem-Bornu, Nigeria's desert-defying empire. Around the 9th century CE, the Zagawa people, semi-nomadic herders, settled near Lake Chad, an oasis in the harsh Sahel. Here, they founded the kingdom of Kanem. Over generations, a powerful royal line emerged, the Saifawa dynasty. With them came the transformation from wandering tribe to structured empire. Kanem thrived by mastering desert survival, trade, and diplomacy. Trade caravans snaked through the dunes, linking Kanem to North Africa and beyond. Camels carried ivory, salt, kola nuts, and in return, books, horses, and Islamic knowledge flowed in. Dunama, one of Kanem's greatest kings, embraced Islam and expanded his empire with zeal. He built a powerful army and spread the faith deep into Central Africa.
But power breeds enemies. Internal strife weakened Kanem, and external attacks battered its core. The capital, Njimi, was overrun. Its towers crumbled in flames. The Saifawa dynasty fled westward, across Lake Chad. Kanem, once mighty, was lost. But not.
In Bornu, the Saifawa rebuilt. Under Idris Alooma in the 16th century, the empire roared back to life. He reformed the military, courts, and built mosques and roads that stitched the desert into one. Bornu became a beacon of Islamic learning, with scholars traveling from Timbuktu to its schools. The Kanuri language spread, and so did a unique culture, one that blended desert resilience with Islamic faith. Kanem-Bornu was led not just by kings, but queens, generals, and scholars. It was a civilization that balanced the sword with the Islamic scripture.
By the 19th century, new powers rose and Bornu began to fade. European colonizers carved the region into pieces. Yet Kanem-Bornu's legacy endures in Nigeria, Chad, Niger, and the Cameroons, and in the Kanuri people, who still walk the lands of their ancestors.
This was no mirage, it was an empire of endurance, a kingdom of scholars, warriors, and traders who defied the desert. Kanem-Bornu was not lost to time and echoes in every dune and every descendant. Subscribe to Echoes of the Ancients, where Africa's hidden history lives on.